The best GrabPay Rewards trick starts with understanding how the platform assigns points and how to maximize each transaction. Most users simply pay with the Grab app and accept whatever points they receive. But the most effective approach is to structure your spending so that every payment returns the highest possible reward value without extra effort or unnecessary purchases. Begin by ensuring that your GrabPay account is fully verified and that you are enrolled in the highest achievable rewards tier. Higher tiers automatically increase point earnings, and this alone makes a noticeable difference over time. Once that is set, shift your regular daily spending into merchants that are known to trigger full GrabPay points. Not every merchant gives the same reward rate. Physical in-store terminals, standard in-app transactions, and Grab-linked web checkouts often deliver full points, while certain bill payments or wallet loads return little or nothing. The simplest and most reliable trick is routing predictable monthly expenses, groceries, transportation, online shopping, food orders, and digital subscriptions through GrabPay. These categories consistently give better points, and the value accumulates faster than occasional large transactions. Every dollar you spend here returns usable points that convert into vouchers, ride discounts, and partner rewards. The trick works because you are not spending more. You are simply shifting existing payments into reward-friendly channels. Another powerful method is stacking promotions. When Grab offers limited-time bonuses, use GrabPay on products you already intend to buy. The bonus points multiply your base rewards and can be redeemed almost immediately. This is one of the fastest ways to grow your balance. Redeem your points strategically. Higher value vouchers offer better dollar-to-point conversion and stretch your earned rewards further. By combining high-tier earning, full-point merchants, monthly essential spending, and promotional stacking, this trick consistently yields the highest GrabPay reward return without wasted money.